Hey guys, it's Cookie Cat here, and welcome back to another video. Now, today's video for this video isn't really, a content type video. I just wanted to get a poll in the comment section down below if I should play a game called Slime Rancher. I have the game, but I'm debating whether to record it or not because I'm not sure how feedback will be, but I probably will try to find a way in the future because I've tried recording it before with screencasts because that's what I use for my recordings, and it's not working, so I'm gonna see if I can use like OBS or something. So if you have any suggestions on what to use for that game, please let me know, and if you want to see that game, definitely comment down below. So for this video, I actually did want to give away something, so I'm going to be giving away this brown pirate sword, non-member pirate sword. So also, if you want that in the comment section down below, just comment your views on whether I should play this game or not, and leave your username and your status. Well, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'll try to have a content-based recording soon. So, thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.